After Mendeleev left his mark with his periodic table, the modern periodic table took it a step further in arranging the elements elegantly and informatively. Now, we know that Mendeleev used atomic mass as a figure to arrange his elements. Atomic mass is basically the number of protons plus the number of neutrons in an atom. After experiments from people like Moseley and Rutherford, they changed the pattern to arranging the elements according to the atomic number. Now the atomic number is basically the number of protons in an atom. Now this what describes the atom. That's what makes oxygen, which has 8 protons, different from carbon, which has 6 protons. Now this arrangement of elements in the periodic table gave us a sort of a geometrical tool that we could explore and understand better about these elements and their properties. You can notice how the gases, liquids and solids are all clustered together. And even the melting points and boiling points of these elements form a really nice pattern. Over here, you can see the metals, non-metals and metalloids in different clusters. And over here, you can see the radioactive elements are all together. Now these elements are arranged vertically in these columns called groups. The modern periodic table has 18 groups in total. Let's name them. Here's 1A, 2A, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B. These 3 are 8B. And now we have 1B, 2B, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A and finally 8A. An important and also a very interesting feature of these groups is that the elements in these groups have valence shells which have the same number as the group. Now valence shell electrons are basically just the electrons in the last shell of the atom. The 1A group has lithium with 1 valence electron, that is 2s1, and sodium has 1, 3s1, potassium has 1, 4s1, and the second group, beryllium has 2, that is 2s2, magnesium has 2, that is 3s2, and calcium has 2, 4s2. That's how these groups are arranged, and as you can see, as these groups are being arranged, there are also horizontal rows that are being formed. These are called periods, and we're going to see about these in the next video. So what have we learned in this video? We have seen about the modern periodic table and the arrangement in groups. So until next time, happy learning!